Alright folks, today we're going to show you how to do a puff fold for a pocket square. First thing you need to do is get your pocket square ready. It's always best to start with a flat surface. Now put your hand under your pocket square with your 4 fingers extended and close together. Don't spread your fingers or it'll be too wide. You can use this side for something a little more plain, but I prefer the other side with the ridges. It adds a little bit more character. You can make it wider or narrower based on the size of your pocket, but it's better to do that once it's in the pocket. You can also adjust the ridges to your liking, but again, better to do that when it's in your pocket. From here, you hold the bottom so it doesn't mess up and then put it directly into your pocket, and at this point, adjust it. Or you can use a pocket square holder like this. There are several different types, but this is the more common one. I prefer the squared away magnetic pocket square holder. You close it over the bottom and it holds it together with magnets. Then you put it in your pocket, adjust the width, height, and the ridges to your liking, and you are all set. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see even more pocket square tutorials.